Hi, this is Dean from Sentinel Soap. In today's video, I am going to be making a loaf of love spell using cold process. I've talked to a number of people online who have given me the most amazing feedback and suggestions that would help me make a really good loaf of soap. With their help, this is what I came up with. As you can understand, I'm not at a point where I'm willing to give out my recipe just yet, and I'm really happy with the results and I can do it each and every time. Then I will be more than happy to put it up in a video so other people could give it a try as well. I hope you enjoy this video. So this loaf of soap came out just amazing. It didn't stick to the sides of the silicone mold at all, which in my previous videos it has. So I'm really happy with the results of this. And the swirls I think came out just perfect. I couldn't have asked for a better swirl in my soap. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.